Hello my fellow crocheters, this is Yana with Yana's Crochet. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope everybody's having a great day today. Please be so kind and subscribe for my channel. Hit that notification bell so this way you don't miss any of my new videos. And please like, share, comment, and it all helps greatly. Thank you. Today I want to show you how to make this very simple stitch, only 2-row repeat. Very simple pattern. It's very 3D and textured, gives it a little bit of a braided look. The back is completely flat, so it would be great for a blanket, sweater too, or any other clothing. And like I said, it's super easy, and I think pretty much any beginner can do it. So let's get started. You start with making a slip knot. And then chain any number of chains that you want. So however long or wide you want it to be. Basically just anything you want. For this small sample, I'm just chaining just a few chains. So for your first row, we're going to put a double crochet into your 4th chain from the hook. So those first 3 chains become your first double crochet, and then you put a double crochet in every single stitch, every single chain, all the way to the end of this row. Okay, and this is what your first row looks like. Now you're going to chain 1, and here we're going to do something a little bit different. So you're going to put single crochets, but you're going to put them from the back into the first stitch. So your first stitch, just like normal, but you're going from the back, and then you are going to insert the hook into the next stitch, but from the front side, and then grab your yarn and then work a basic single crochet. Now again, going from the back into the same stitch where you just ended, so your second stitch, go in there from the back and then into the next stitch from the front, and just a basic single crochet. And keep doing the same pattern all the way to the end. So into the stitch you just worked into, so go from the back, now into the front of the next stitch and a single crochet. Okay, this is your last stitch that you're going into. So your last double crochet, make a single crochet there, and then one more time you go into that stitch from the back and then go into your turning chain and single crochet. And that's it. This is your second row. This is what it's going to look like. So you created this braid. So for your row number 3, you're going to chain 3, and you're going to put double crochets but into those back loops right there. So you're skipping that braid in the first and you're going into the back loops in both of them right there. Make sure you get it to the first one, and that's it. So this whole row is going to be double crochets into those loops right there. So you're leaving this in front, you don't touch that, and going into those stitches all the way to the end. And this is going to be your repeat pattern, so you're repeating row 2 and row 3 back and forth. Make sure you don't miss that very last stitch. Sometimes it's hard to see. You put a double crochet there, and then you just make sure that you have the same amount of double crochets in third row as you did in your first row. So, and the next row is the same. So you chain 1, turn, and you make this little zigzag going from the back to the front. So exactly the same as your row 3. You just keep doing that. So again, you're creating that braid, and this is what it's going to look like. Like I said, something a little different, done a little differently, but kind of fun to make. And if you're just starting out with crochet, this is a good way to practice your stitches and, you know, makes a cool, fun blanket. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments. Thanks.